Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss worksheet 5 of chapter applications and its percentage applications of percentage. Okay, so we know for getting simple interest we require principal, rate of interest and time. If out of above 4 any 3 are given to us, we can find the unknown by using the formula simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T, where R is equal to R by 100. We solve examples to illustrate. You can see principal is equal to 100 into simple interest by rate of interest into time. Rate of interest is equal to 100 into SI by principal into time, and time is equal to 100 into simple interest by principal into rate of interest. Learn these formulas. Now example 9. We are learning the examples. Because the examples are very same to the sums of worksheet. So understand properly the examples and then try to solve the sums of worksheet. So Mr. Saxena lent a sum of money at 2 and 1/2% per annum simple interest and received an interest of rupees 2400 in 3 years. Find the sum. Look, Mr. Saxena lent a sum of money. Sum of money means principal. We don't know what is the principal. At 2 and 1/2%. This is rate of interest, per annum simple interest, and received an interest of rupees 2400 in 3 years. This is interest, simple interest, and 3 years is the time. Find the sum. Sum means principal. So we need to find the principal in this sum. So we write all the quantities that we are given. So rate of interest is 2 and 1/2% per annum, that is 2 to the 4 and plus 1 5/2%. Simple interest is given 2400, time is 3 years. So we want to find out principal. So principal, the formula for principal is 100 minus simple interest by rate of interest into time. So we use this formula. 100 into simple interest 2400, 5 into 3, 5 into 3 means 3 is the time, 3 years is the time, and 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2 is the rate of interest here is given. So this 2, 5 by 2, 5 is written in denominator and 2 is written in the numerator, and we solve and cancel out these and get the answer rupees 32,000. So Mr. Saxena lent rupees 32,000 means the principal is rupees 32,000. Question